quadratic expressions. There is a small difference in the expression and the equation. We'll teach you later, but let us come to what is quadratic equation. As expression deals with polynomials, if I write polynomial in one variable, polynomial in one variable, I think you are aware of polynomials. Polynomial in one variable, it is a linear polynomial. Ax plus b. What you can see over here is the power of 1, x is 1. But if you go for the same for linear, for bio, or like for quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Means in addition to linear polynomial, you need a coefficient of x to the power of 2. If you go for the 3, like cubic polynomial, in addition to quadratic polynomial, you need x power 4. One more x you need, like ax cube. You're going for q, so it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. In addition to quadratic, you need one more. It is ax cube plus bx square plus c x plus d. So what is this? This is a biquadratic. Right, quadratic it means if I add ax cube plus quadratic, it gives you cubic polynomial. Right. Isn't it? Okay, like volume should be increased. Okay, Faizan. Is it good now? Please. Is it good now? If it is good, please comment in the section. Okay, like As we all know what a quadratic expression, the difference between expression and equation is just a equal sign. For example, if you want to write a quadratic expression, you'll write ax square plus bx plus c. If you want to write equation, just add equal sign and a zero. This part is expression, and if you want to make it an equation, this becomes quadratic equation. I think you people got what is the difference between equation and expression, right? Now let's start with the exercise. So we have examples in the textbook. Example says that we show the equation 2x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to has no real root. Before diving into the example, you have a small change over here, like we will discuss what is the discriminant and nature of quadratic equation. It will be easier for us. So as we all know what is discriminant, like b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic expressions ax square plus bx plus c, as well as the quadratic equation simply you can write QE, okay, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals 0 and is denoted by the symbol delta. What is delta? It like delta directly you can refer to as discriminant. Okay, this discriminant is it okay? Very good. Faizan Sharif was also there. Good to see you back, dear. Now, in this discriminant, if let alpha comma beta be the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers, so there are three cases. Case 1, we says delta is equals to 0 by implies alpha is equals to beta, that is equals to minus b by 2a, that is nothing but a repeated root. Case 2, delta, that is discriminant greater than 0 by implies alpha and beta are real and distinct. Case 3, if discriminant is less than 0, by implies alpha and beta are non-complex non-complex numbers. Yes, Mr. Bilal, like you can say imaginary roots. In imaginary roots, it can be anything. So if I say imaginary number, it's a component of a complex number. If I say you complex number, complex number is denoted by z, that is a plus ib, where the component of ib, this is imaginary, where a says you this is real number. So real plus imaginary number gives you complex number. So it can be like in your class 10th will teach you as imaginary number. Over there is no introduction of complex number. So once you get into the intermediate, the concept is dealt in depth. So so let us come to the first example of this chapter. Example says that according to textbook, the example number is 3.1.13. Example. Whatever doubts you have, you can go through according to the question what we are writing on the board. So we show that equation 2x square minus 6x plus 7 is equals 0 has no real roots. Okay, say here, so how to check that? It's a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to 7. So what is discriminant to check that the the nature of the roots? The discriminant is minus b, discriminant delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is that? B is minus 6 whole square, 4 into 2 into 7 gives you what? 36 minus 4 sevens 24, 4 sevens 28, 28 twos 56. So the in total you will get how much? Minus 20. If it is minus 20, what we can say? The equation has no real root, which we can say that they are non-real complex numbers. As the given equation has no real roots. Instead we can say which are non-real complex roots. There's a question for you people now. Like if I give you a question saying that to find the the nature of the roots are real or imaginary or repeated, can you do that? Yes, yeah, the question over here is, just go through it. I need to find you the answers using the concept of discriminant only. So the question for you people is 2x square minus 8x plus 3 is equals 0. Please go through the solution. Like, I need the answer. Yes, Bilal. B square minus 4ac is discriminant and complex numbers. I think you got what are complex numbers. Yes, thank you. And can you say me the equation given on the board has what type of nature of roots? Case 1, case 2, case 3. Please solve it and please. What is this? There are no likes. Please go through likes, like increase the likes. And case 2, what does it represent here? Case 2, what does it represents? It means the roots are real and they are not same. Am I correct? Well done, dear. So let us go to the question. Let us go through the solution once again. Like oh, here a is equals to b is equals to minus 8 and c is equals to 3. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 8 whole square, it gives you 64 minus 4 3 is 12 and 12 2 is 24. So the result is 40, that is greater than 0. If delta is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Two ways. Okay. There may be echo. No problem. Avoided it. Okay. Like let us dive into exercise 3a. See, like according to the blueprints, this chapter deals with only 1 2 mark and 1 4 mark, which is a great chance to score. Uh, so the two mark questions we are going through first, and which can be from exercise 3a, finding roots, quadratic equations, and finding the nature, what kind of nature, such type of questions will be there. Whereas for 4 marks, it can be from other exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Three B, like determine the range of the following expressions and sign of the following expression and find their extreme values and all. Okay, so today inshallah we are dealing with exercise 3A. The first question, it says that find the roots of the following equations. First equation is x square minus 7x plus 12. So how to do? The first thing is just use your x square coefficient and multiply it with coefficient or like a constant term. X square should multiply over here, you will get 12x square, right? Now what's the middle term? It is minus 7x. So use any two numbers so that it should represent, if you add or subtract, it should give minus 7x, and if you multiply, it should again give 12x square. So if we use 4x minus 4x and minus 3x, yes, minus 3x into minus 3x minus 4x into minus 3x gives you 12x square. So if you go for the solution, x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. So take any two common terms from this, it is x, so x minus 4 will be there. From here, if you take minus 3 as common, and x minus 4 again will be there. So what are the two commons? Like common term over here, x minus 4 over here, and x minus 3 is the remaining part. So equate each bracket to 0, you will get x minus 4 is equals 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 4. If you send over here, send this 4 over here, 3 over here, you will get x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 3. Very good, Bilal. Excellent, excellent. You got the answer. Like, can you find the solution for the next question? Minus x square plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Please go through it, dear. Let me check. Faster, faster. So let's start with the solution. So firstly, multiply first term with the last, that is minus x square multiplied by 2 will give you minus 2x square. Now if you want the middle term is x, that is we need to take the factors of this minus 2x square. So what are the factors? It is 1, minus 1 and minus 2. That is, if we say minus 2x comma minus 1x, if you if you multiply them, you will get 2x. Wait. So over here you don't find any factors. The factors will be complex, right? Since it is saying minus 2x square, if you multiply two terms, what you'll get? Let us check, is it the same thing? Minus 2x and x, if you multiply them you'll get minus 2x square, and if you add them you'll get. So we need to change the sign. You'll get 2x and minus x, the factors will be, and if this is a product one, and this will be your minus 2x minus x becomes x. So you'll get x square minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x minus x plus 2. So take minus x as common, you'll get x minus 2, and if you take minus x as common over here, minus 1 as common over here, you will get x minus 2. So x minus 2 is already common, so you'll get minus x minus 1 is remaining product. So equate every term to 0. X minus 2 is equals 0, and x minus 1 is equals 0. So what you'll get over here, x is equals to 2 if you send over here, and minus x is equals to 1, and if you send this minus sign on the side, you will get x is equals to minus 1. So the roots are minus 1 and 2, which are real and distinct. Very good, Bilal, very good. We'll stop our stream over here, inshallah. In the next class we'll go through your first exercise, more than half of the exercise, inshallah, and we'll continue with the next session in the upcoming classes. If there is any further delay or something, we'll notify you, inshallah, through WhatsApp or YouTube notification only. And if someone is interested for the class, for the live stream, please ask them to join, give my number to ask them to just add my number and send their name and number, so that I could add them, and once I post any WhatsApp notification, they'll be active and they can just catch up with the notification. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're stopping with the stream.